hear yourself speak? I mean, can you hear yourself at all? Okay, it's good a thing you're here, sis. Auntie Grace, please, I beg of you. Can you ask my mother why she wants me to leave my husband? The man that means the whole world to me. Leave him for what? What reason do you have?
Baby girl, I think you should listen to your mom.
You think I should do what? What are you people saying? Has she given you a reason why I should leave my husband? Has she? No, answer me. Has she? Why would I do anything like that? Why would I leave a man I love with everything in me? Why would I?
Jen, he's no good.
Who is better? I mean, who is perfect in this world? No, tell me, Mom. Are you trying to tell me right now that when Dad was alive, you never had 1 or 2 issues with him? It's not possible. Siblings quarrel, husband and wife, they have issues and they settle. You cannot tell me that I should leave my husband and he has done virtually nothing to me. So what is your reason?
Jen, honestly, you run a high risk of me disowning you if you don't leave this marriage. If you continue to be defiant, I need you to pack this marriage up. Please, I am begging you.
Mommy, do I look like I care? I don't care. If you don't give me a concrete reason why I should leave my husband, Mom, never will I in this life.
It's alright. Sister, I think she deserves to know.
Deserves to know what?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.